Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about the format of an article writing, and as you know that we have discussed format of article writing, diary entry, letter writing many times. So you can say that this is a revision class. So let's start. We should know what is the format of an article writing. Guys, suppose this is your page. This is your page. Suppose this is your page. This is your left side. This is the very top line of this page. So in the middle of the page, we should write title. Means here you can see that in the middle and at the top of the page in the middle we should write title or heading. Okay, just below the title means byline, we should write byline. Just below the title we should write byline. Byline means name of the writer. Either you can write right side below of the title or left side below of the title or middle in the title, just below middle in the page of this title. Okay, next, body of the title. Body of the title, how you should write body of the title means you can say that content of the article writing. First passage means your article writing should be divided into 3 para. First para introduction, second para explanation about the title, and third is conclusion. Okay, so this is your content. And next, this is introduction means content should be introduction, middle paragraph and concluding paragraph. Okay, so guys, I'm going to tell you that जब आप आर्टिकल राइटिंग लिख रहे हो तो आपके पेज के सबसे मिडल में आपकी टाइटल या हेडिंग होनी चाहिए. आप टाइटल कहें या हेडिंग कहें, जस्ट इसके टाइटल के जस्ट नीचे आपकी बाई लाइन में राइटर्स नेम होना चाहिए. बाई लाइन आप टाइटल के नीचे राइट साइड में भी लिख सकते हो और लेफ़्ट साइड में भी लिख सकते हैं. ठीक है, फिर आपको बॉडी ऑफ द टाइटल लिखना चाहिए. एंड योर बॉडी ऑफ टाइटल शुड बी डिवाइडेड टू 3 पैसेज. फर्स्ट इंट्रोडक्शन, सेकंड मिडल पैराग्राफ मीन्स डिटेल्स ऑफ द टाइटल, एंड थर्ड इज कंक्लूडिंग. ओके, so I am going to read a question. Satish is asked to write an article for the school magazine on climate change. Okay, climate change. Using your own ideas and hints given below, write an article on his behalf in 120 words. So human activities, this is your clues: burning fossil fuels, release carbon dioxide, rise in earth temperature, causes sea level changes, adversely affects precipitation, seasons, flora and fauna. Okay, so this is your article writing. This is your title means heading, and by Satish the writer's name. Human activities which have a significant impact on the climate are the burning of fossil fuels such as coal, oil and gas, whether in homes, factories, vehicles or in other ways. Okay, so this is introduction about the climate change. Burning these fuels releases carbon dioxide gas, a greenhouse gas besides others. Since the early 1800s, when people began burning large amount of coal and oil, the amount of carbon dioxide in the Earth's atmosphere had increased by nearly 30%, and average global temperature appears to have risen over 1 degree Celsius. This is the details of climate change. Such a temperature rise will cause changes in the amount and pattern of rain and snow, in the length of the growing seasons, in the frequency and severity of a storm, and in the sea levels, farm, forest, plants, and animals in the. Okay, so guys, this was your title. Okay, and marks of the title is provided when you are writing title or heading. 2 marks will be given, 1 marks title or heading and 1 marks byline, 1.5 marks body of the an article means introduction, 3 marks middle paragraph means explanation of the title, 1.5 marks will be provided concluding paragraph means third paragraph. Okay, so guys, today we have completed an article writing. Okay, and in the next video I will provide you few examples based on an article writing. Okay guys, this is your homework. You should note down the format of the article writing and note down this example also. Still, if you get any kinds of problem, then you should contact to me. Okay guys,